Our Old South Barn family has been building wood trusses for over 55 years now. Our wood trusses have found their way into many of our own building projects and dot the landscape all over South Georgia. Engineered, inspected, and approved, our Old South Barn wood trusses have proven themselves over the years for strength and durability. There's nothing better than family pride standing the test of time, one building after another. Take a look at some of our wood trusses, ranging from as small as 6 foot wide up to a maximum of 30 feet. Our Old South Barn wood trusses are built by us using dimensional lumber. The smaller trusses are crafted with 2x6 material, and the larger trusses carry a heavier 2x8 design. With 2x6 uprights, each has an approximate 24-inch center, giving strong support for the horizontal purling members. Each of our trusses are designed to fit around a standard 6x6 post, fastened into place with half-inch galvanized through carriage bolts with screws. There is nothing better than strength and the beauty of the Old South way.